Is Lupin flour keto friendly?
Lupin flour. This is one that I've tried baking with this year. I believe January is when I finally broke down and I got a bag of this stuff. So I opened it up and it smells funky. Has anybody tried Lupin flour? Put a comment in the below if you've tried Lupin flour.
Yeah, I have. Not a fan.
Yeah, so put a comment in below if you've tried Lupin flour. So it's lupin or was it?
Lupini.
Lupini beans, and they're a yellow legume, same family as peanuts, and they're traditionally eaten pickled.
It's kind of a European treat, like an Italian thing, akin to olives. So.
Yeah, so in a quarter cup or 30 grams of this ground flour that they're selling called Lupin flour, there's 110 calories, 2.5 grams of fat, 12 carbs, 11 of those are fiber, so you've got 1 net carb, 11 grams of protein. So as far as a macro breakdown,
it's not bad.
Yeah, it's not bad. The problem is it tastes terrible.
So we tried it just like, raw, and it's kind of bitter, metallic tasting. Yes. Once we got it cooked, it was a lot less noticeable, but it gave the food kind of an odd aftertaste.
Tinny, and it was maybe, it was a full recipe, and it was maybe a quarter cup. Like, we didn't substitute 100% Lupin flour. I just used a little bit to experiment with it. We were not a fan.
We were kind of more looking at it as, well, does this have different structural characteristics about it that would make it better for a bread or something? Is it going to do something different than coconut flour or almond flour? Is it going to react differently? And it really didn't. I mean, we haven't really played with it because we were kind of put off by the taste.
The flavor. It was very offensive to me. So, I mean, I'm saying, like, if you've tried Lupin beans in the past and you're like, oh, I love the taste, I mean, try the flour. I mean,
we did sample some Lupin keto snacks. Now, these were Lupin
beans,
the full Lupin beans, and they're kind of flavored with like chipotle or something else, and a lot of people really liked them.
Yeah, and I didn't mind them. I was just kind of still turned off from the flavor of the flour.
But so I can imagine that the pickling part might actually be good, because you're kind of expecting a harsher taste with something that's pickled.
So is it keto friendly? I mean, the macros certainly make it keto friendly. A lot of people, it's a legume, so does it belong on a keto diet? Well, peanuts are a legume, and a lot of people eat peanuts on keto. So I think it's one of those things where, try it if you're willing to